Hi guys, it's me again, and today we're going to be reviewing the Makita angle grinder. This is the 9557PB. It's a 7.5 amp grinder, 4.5 inch, 11,000 RPMs. Pretty typical grinder. What's nice about it is it has a paddle switch here. But other than that, the outsides just look like a normal grinder. Let's find some scrap metal to test this on. So now let's try out the grinder. Have clamped in my vise a piece of scrap metal pipe, so let's try grinding on it. As you can see, that worked pretty well. Now let's try out the cutting accessories. I've got the cutting guard mounted along with a cut-off wheel for metal. Now let's cut this. So you can see that cut pretty quickly, so yeah, I think our testing is done. So overall, this really is a great grinder. For $60 for the grinder itself, it's a great value, and it's very powerful. The kit's also a good deal if you happen to have a need for a carry case or a masonry cutting wheel. It's only $20 more, so yeah. Overall, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed it, and see you on next time.